Listen. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Britain that colonized Nigeria. Now listen to me. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, before, then they separate. Before, Igbo here, Hausa here, Yoruba here, then they separate. Nothing like one Nigeria. And there is no war. No, nothing like war. Then they're different, then they're separate. Sometimes Hausa will go market here, sometimes Igbo people will go market here, then they're on their own with peaceful. Now, British, United Kingdom, they came to Nigeria, they came to this place. After they colonized them, then joined them together as one Nigeria. Then join Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, this is the British. Then join this tribe together. But since then join this tribe together, no peace. That is why I say, what God have joined together, let no man come and separate them and put scattered among them. And what God did not join together, let no man join them together. Before God did not join Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, God did not join them together. God separated them. But British, United Kingdom came, joined them together, and since he joined them together, there is no peace. Trouble, war. These people, they are slaughtering themselves. And sometimes they slaughter Igbo, more than 8 million Igbos in the Biafran war. And these people, British, they are living in peace in United Kingdom. And they have come to Africa, put trouble among these brothers, sisters, African people, black and black. They put United Kingdoms came to Africa, put trouble among these tribes that are living separate before, that are living in peace. United Kingdom came to Africa, joined this tribe together, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and all the tribes were there for Nigeria, were there for this country. Joined them together. When they joined them together, there is no peace. Since then till today, no peace. They are slaughtering themselves, hatred, tribalism, tribal war, both in Christianity. They are practicing tribalism in Christianity. I know what I'm talking about. These people are the people that cause it. But when you go to United Kingdom, if you go to United Kingdom, they are living peaceful in their country. Now listen to me. Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Now, United Kingdom came. The Hausa, Yoruba. United Kingdom tell them, Hausa, Yoruba, tell them 2 of them will be ruling other tribes waiting for this country called Nigeria. That is 2 of them, Hausa and Yoruba. But when they gave Nigeria independent, the first carry Igbo man, Nnamdi Azikiwe, as a first president, something like that, to deceive people. Since then, Hausa and Yoruba is ruining these people, ruining Igbos and Niger Deltas, all of them. They came and told these people, these black people, they should ruin their own brother, persecuting them. They go on their own, living in United Kingdom, peaceful, but they have put trouble in Africa. Now, these 2 tribes, they are selfish. Not all of them, they are politicians. Because if these 2 tribes outside Yoruba get sense, they will not accept what these people talk. They will say, no, all of us are brothers. We are the same Africans. We are the same blacks. Let's live in peace. But they got the idea that United Kingdom gave to them. They use it to persecuting this tribe called Igbo. Hausa man will be the president of Nigeria. Yoruba man will be the president of Nigeria. Hausa man will be the president of Nigeria. Yoruba man will be the president of Nigeria and Fulanis. They will not allow all these tribes, both other tribes, to rule Nigeria. I said it before that Goodluck Jonathan, why Goodluck Jonathan become the president of Nigeria is because of Yar'Adua. If Yar'Adua is still there alive, Goodluck Jonathan no go smell in that seat. And it's Goodluck Jonathan rule only first term, then pursue him out, because these people, British, they have poisoned the mind of these people, and these people have got the idea, Hausa and Yoruba, think now them be the now them go to rule this nation called Nigeria. I think you are understanding what I'm saying. Now, Peter Obi, the Igbo man won election. They not agree him to rule because these people are the people that colonize us. Do you know that after the rig election, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom is Elishi Sanak is the first person that sent Tinubu congratulation message. Do you see what is happening in this country called Nigeria? Listen to me. These Hausa and Yoruba politicians, they are very, very selfish. Because if they get sense, they will know that we are all blacks, we are all Africans, and these white people will not come and tell us for us to persecuting our brother, for us to be press our brother, so that two of us will become in charge over this country, and these people will be like a slave. They will know how they will do it, leave peace among them, but they couldn't do it. But before God separate this country, Igbo they their own separate, Hausa they their own separate, Igbo they their own separate, Yoruba they their own separate, Hausa they their own separate. But these people come, join them together because of the United Kingdom came, join them together because of their selfish interests they have in Nigeria, because of the benefit they want to gain. They join them together. Since they join this country together called Nigeria, no peace. Every day by day, trouble, slaughtering, tribalism, trouble everywhere. These are the people that caused our trouble. That is United Kingdom British. God did not join us together, but these people come join us together. Since they join us together, no peace. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Make sure that you share this message. Thank you and God bless you.